So how can you sync the iPhone to Google Drive? Let's explain that. So if you're new on this channel, most definitely subscribe so you never miss anything important. Okay, so there are a few things, of course. First of all, there is the official Google Drive app, so you can have that downloaded to always have access to your files and always just upload stuff right there, right? So that would be like the regular way of accessing it. However, if you want to sync it with your local files, it's a good idea to have the Drive app installed and then go to the Files app of the iPhone like that, go to the Browse section, and in the top right corner, we have the three dots button for more options. So in there, go to the Edit like that, and just make sure that the Google Drive is present in here and that it has the green toggle enabled, right? It just means that you'll be able to access your Google Drive from within the built-in Files app, right? Which saves you a little step in between, and it's like synced between your local files as well. And this just means that you can literally just share, copy, and move files and even whole folders between the local on my iPhone storage to the Google Drive and the other way around as well, right? And even between iCloud and all of that, right? So that's how you can sync all of the locations on your iPhone through one application, which I find to be working really well. So, of course, if you are new to this channel, make sure you subscribe so you never miss anything important. But if you like the video, make sure you hit the thumbs up to let me know about that. I'm just going to wrap up this tutorial. That's it from me. I hopefully get to see you later in the next videos as well. So again, share your thoughts below and I'll see you later.